While walking to class or strolling around campus, have you noticed a plot of land fenced in with the sign, "Private Property, Do Not Enter"? Stanford's solar decathlon team is in the middle of building their innovative house, which will allow them to compete in the solar decathlon. Although it is the middle of summer break for most students at Stanford, for the students in the solar decathlon team, it is just another workday at the construction site. We talked to the construction manager, Rob Best, what makes their Start.Home so special.
And so typical houses, you build just around whatever plan you want, you design. Your bathroom is typically a different place from your kitchen, and so you have to plumb all that area. When you put your air conditioning in there, it takes up a lot of space, a lot more than you really need. So what we've done is take just those pieces, the plumbing, the air conditioning, and the electrical systems that are very technical, concentrate those in one small box that we could manufacture in a factory rather than build on the site, and then still have the freedom to design a house around that you would really enjoy and really want to spend time in. So what we think is different is that you have this lower upfront cost, more efficient piece that's the core of the house, and then you can still have a spacious, comfortable living area all around that.
Behind me stands the Start House with its net zero energy. All its electricity comes from the solar panels located on the roof of the house. Rob explains the other energy-saving features of the house.
The house is net zero energy, which means that everything that we produce in terms of electricity and our electricity for heating, for cooling, hot water, all of that comes from solar panels. That's one of the main features that we have. That's one of the biggest goals of the house. But in addition to that, before we even thought about putting solar panels on it, we designed the house to use natural lighting and natural ventilation from the wind. It's going to be here in Palo Alto, so we get a nice climate where we have lots of wind, we have lots of sunlight. So we're using those things so you don't have to turn on lights or air condition the house through most of the year. We've also used a lot of efficient water fixtures and efficient appliances, so we just cut down on the energy and water use up front.
We then spoke to Lily Shi, the head of communications, on how the team works to achieve their goal.
So I do a lot of the tours and a lot of the outreach and a lot of the publicity for it. But sometimes, for example, if industry professionals who are like very specifically interested in mechanical engineering, then I'll get our mechanical engineering to do their tour, right? Because it's just going to be a better fit and different. You're part of a sub-team, but everyone's involved in construction. Everyone's involved in the design. It's a very collaborative process. So we all have roles, but we also all do everything.
Lastly, she talked about what it would mean to them if they win.
Obviously, we would love to win, and honestly, we think we will. But one of the biggest thing for us is the life cycle of this beyond just the competition. Because 2 years is not a long time, right, for a project, and we actually really think that at least this idea is something that will change the market. To say, hey guys, like this is what you're capable of, and you really should be pushing in this direction to make a technologically advanced, sustainable home.
From Stanford, California, Diana Lee reporting.